Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, provided by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst and host of the Grok Star Trading Room, as well as perhaps your future mentor. This is a trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star Room on MAPP, that's MAPP Pharmaceuticals. This is what it looked like at 4 o'clock yesterday. Overnight they had news that they had some drug problems with the FDA report. And this is what it looked like at opening. Bam! Look at that, all the way down to $14. That represents a 18.4% drop. So it seemed to maybe have found some support there. Let's see what happened next. Okay, it's starting to take off, and then it pulled back here. Now this one was from our watch list. We were watching it very closely in pre-market as well. So now we have what we call a double bottom. It came back to $14, which is potentially for very strong support at an even dollar amount. If you want to know more about a double bottom, just go to the Free Online Trading Education, to our free chart school. And this is a description of a double bottom, as well as a picture of it where it comes down here, it bounces once, it bounces twice at a form of support, which in this case is the $14 mark, and then begins to take off. This is a bullish formation. So I went ahead and I set an order, and let's see what happened next. Came up and it got me in. I'm in at long at 14.25 long MAPP. Went sideways a little bit, and now it's approaching. This is the 8 EMA, or exponential moving average. Up, slice through that, continuing up, and now we're approaching the $15 mark right here, which again, this was strong support at an even dollar amount. This could be possible resistance, and we have the falling 20 MA. Now these two are about to collide, so I'm going to take half of my position right there. I took half at 14.95 for 4.9% on the first half of the trade. Let's see what happened next. Let's blow this up a little bit. Went sideways and then boom, it sliced through that $15 mark all the way up to 15.20. And now it's pulling back a little bit. Yeah, it's 15.29, coming back, and then look at this. Look at this print. There was one order all the way down here at 13.78. Somebody did not use a limit order. So next one I decided to get out. I got out at $15.20 for 6.6% on the second half. So this total first trade here, from here to here, was 5.75% in 16 minutes. Let's see what happened next. It drifted down, and then look here. This is the 20 moving average. Picked up right on that as support, and it sliced above that $15 support resistance line again. And then it started to form a high base. And this high base, and again now we have the 50 simple moving average coming down. So if it breaks this high base that's forming and it goes above this 50 moving average, I told everyone in the room I want it to be long. I set a limit order out there, and boom, jumped right through that. And then nope, in the next candle I got in at 15.55 long MAPP for the second time. Let's pull this down and watch this second trade. Starting to go up, it's staying above that. Well, now actually I'm a little bit underwater here, but it is still being supported by the 20 moving average. My stop was down here at 15.25. There we go. Now I'm going to move it up here to the low. My stop up, and now as I say, $16 possible resistance, but sliced right through that. Boom, right up here to big red, a 200 period moving average on this 1 minute chart. Well, I decided right there I was going to take half, and so I did at 16.28 for 4.6%. As it pulled back just a little bit there. Actually, it was on this candle here. Then it sliced through it again. So I'm pulling my stop up here because if it breaks back down through big red, it's probably going to be going down. I want to, oops, and there I am. I am now out at 14.32. I sold for 4.9% on the second half of the second trade. Total second trade, I was 4.75% in 25 minutes. Then let's see what happened next. It did fall back down. I did trade this one more time during the morning for another 4.45%. So total on those 3 trades was 14.9% this morning. And that was just 3 of the 12 trades that we called in the Grokstar trading room. And you're welcome to join us in there for free for a 30-day trial. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chat room page. And down below is where you can sign up for that trial. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. And just remember that you trade what you see, not what you think.